Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature what you need to know about these 4 benefits of writing articles for your internet business. And also, you won't believe how easy these writing strategies are to implement. Want to maximize sharing of your website's content? You have come to the right place concerning how to do just that. I write articles on my website, and get huge benefits in doing so. Check out these 4 benefits that I am sharing with you, and learn how by writing your own articles, you too can realize huge benefits by including articles on your website. Content is king. You can say that again. That is why writing articles is one of the most utilized internet marketing strategies that digital marketers use today. Internet surfers just can't get enough information on various fields. Providing information through your articles is a surefire way to drive hot traffic to your website. If I now have your attention, stay with me and read about the 4 benefits that writing articles can give your internet business. Middle. 1. It's absolutely free. Too good to be true? Not. Okay, you have to pay for your internet service provider. That's it. All you need is your thoughts, your computer, and your hands. If you have those, nothing will stop you from typing words that will make you complete that article for your website. On which aspect of that process did you really shell out any money? Maybe later when your electric bills come due. Middle. 2. Your website will be noticed in a short period of time. Submit that article of yours to article directories that get the most web traffic, and in no time your website will be crawled by the search engine bots. That is, if you don't forget to include your resource box or byline. Middle. 3. Obtain backlinks automatically. When you submit your articles to directories, surely, other websites will make use of your article too. With the copyright terms of your articles, the URL of your website will still be intact and will subsequently direct more traffic to your website. Middle. 4. Improve your reputation by downloading and using any of the article submitter software products that are available on the internet. Conclusion. The takeaway. As an internet marketer, if you plainly display your products on your website, you will not gain much conversion rate. Conversion is when your traffic converts to sales. You have to show that you are knowledgeable in your field. What better way to show that than by writing articles that will allow you some bragging rights? Just make your creative juices flow and jot down, or key in those ideas quickly that come to you, to jumpstart your article writing momentum. I hope you have found my article to be helpful in answering your questions concerning what you need to know about these 4 benefits of writing articles for your internet business. Let me know how you like my podcast in the comments below. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.